I just walked in the grocery store. Green chilies, that's what you smell. There they are. Hot, extra hot. Mild, ooh, mild. How much are they? Hot. Okay, what am I here for today? Friars. The thighs or the drumsticks, 99 cents a pound. I know I'm getting that, and there's chips, I think. Two right here, 2 for $4 on the border chips. And that's a coupon, so I've already clipped the coupon, digital coupon, and we'll see what else I end up getting. Alright, I got some mild. I didn't want a whole case of those peppers, so got the mild green chilies. Let's see what else there was. Chips. There they are. And I got 2. Alright, let's look at the ad one more time before leaving. I almost forgot the thighs, what I came in here for. Crazy. Thighs. 99 cents, $5. $5.05. $2.87. God. I think I'm gonna get thighs and legs. So I got a little project this morning. I've got this closet and this closet in my tiny house. I have some clothes in there, coats, t-shirts, some shirts I've retired, some pants that don't fit me, blah, blah, blah. Just a little bit of clothes in there that I'm just going to hang on to for now because I have a closet and I can. But over here, I don't need 2 closets. So there's just, let me turn you around. Let me show you what I got. So I could use this as a closet, and then there's a shelf, and then a hanger for closet, and then I got some junk down here. But what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is take this shelf out. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not thinking. I've thought about it, and now I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna take this shelf out and this rod out, and I'm gonna put some shelving here. And that's gonna be my food pantry. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Is I already bought the shelf, so I'm gonna take this shelving down, put that shelf in, then put my food on it. So let's get started. Okay, here's my shelves. So I guess I will have to build in there. First I gotta take this shelf out. So let's go get a hammer, screwdriver, hammer. I think that's just nailed down, yeah. Okay. Okay. There it is. I thought about centering it, but I think I'm gonna leave it off to one side and I can utilize this little space for something. So I can put buckets down here and then whatever else I want. And it will be all behind closed doors. Yay! You won't have to look at it. All right, that's cool. Okay, I needed a break. It's about 10:30. This is gonna be my semi-breakfast. Actually, I had a smoothie, but needed a little substance. This is that leftover couscous from the Hungry Fresh meal that I cooked. Little tomato of my tomato plant is going in. Actually, let's just eat it. And like a fresh tomato, just picked. I love this. This is called Israeli couscous. I'd forgotten about it. I've eaten it several times and I really like it. And I liked how it tasted with that chicken stock in there. So I bought me some at Walmart. So I'm going to have this in future meals. So good. Add a little bit more lemon, a little bit more butter. Oops, I better quit filming and eat, or otherwise it's going to go all over the floor.